माझे नाव डॅनियल फेर्नांडीस आणि माझ्या बायलेचें नाव रेजिना फेर्नांडीस. ही आमची शोले तारची भाटेर ती माझ्या बायलेची प्रॉपर्टी आणि ही आमी सुमन चालवाडी म्हणून आमी ही एका मनशाक 11 मंथ कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट करून ही रेंटाक दिली आणि तिणेन आतां आमच्या प्रॉपर्टीन इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन केलां. वॉल आमचे एक्सटेंड करून फूल शेड आख्खे घर आमचे बांदलेले आहा. सो आमी ही कंप्लेन पंचायतीन केलेली. सो आयज आमचे पंचायतीन इन्स्पेक्शन केलां आनी आतां तें इन्स्पेक्शन करून आमचो सरपंच आनी सेक्रेटरी इन्स्पेक्शन करून गेल्लो आहा. सो ही आमच्या प्रॉपर्टीन आमी ही 2019 हिका ही प्रॉपर्टी रेंटाक दिल्ली आनी ती फ्रॉम 2019 ती आजून आमच्या घरांतली भायर सरोंक सोदिना आनी ती आपूण ह्या घराची कॅरटेकर म्हणटा आनी कॅरटेकर म्हणून तिणेन हो आमच्या प्रॉपर्टीचो एक फेक डॉक्युमेंट केला आनी हेची आमी कंप्लेन पुलीस स्टेशनान लास्ट इयर इन द मे 2024 कंप्लेन केलेली आनी हो तो डॉक्युमेंटार म्हणटा ती आपूण कॅरटेकर म्हणून आनी म्हाज्या सासूमाईक तिणेन 2 लाख दिल्या म्हणून. सो हो आमी आनी तेचो एक विटनस आहा जुलियो जो एंटोनियो लोबो म्हणून. सो आमी हो सांगूंक सोदता हो जुलियो कोण काय म्हणून. सो आमी काय हो डॉक्युमेंट तिका म्हाजी सासूमाईची सिग्नेचरूय तेणेन फॉर्ज केलेली आहा आनी ही आमी कंप्लेन पुलीस स्टेशनानूय दिलेली आनी हो मॅटर आमी तिचो कोर्टानूय चलता. सो हेचेर आजून पासून पुलिसान पासून एक्शन घेवंक ना, नायदर कोर्टान पासून एक्शन हेचेर घेवंक ना.
Some years ago, this lady had come to my mother asking for a place to rent, and she's having 3 children, and her husband is from Belgaum, and he's not with her presently. And she was really begging my mother, and my mother took pity on her and she kept her. But we did not know the other part of her story. She was renting a place in Rai and in Modlebat, and there she was doing illegal dirty things. There were many men coming over there, and all unwanted things were going on. So those owners had thrown her out of that place, and she was not getting any place to stay. So she was here, and which we didn't know about it. And when in the year 2019 September, the contract which she had made with my mother, it was coming to an end. We had told her to leave the place and go, but then she refused to leave. So because she refused to leave, we had issued a notice from the advocate for her to leave the place, but she didn't listen to that also. And soon after that, COVID happened, and because of that, we did not force her to leave the place. And we waited until the month of May. And when we came again in the month of May to ask her to leave again, uh, we reached to the property, and there was a man over here whom we have not rented the place, and his name is Sameer Palyakar from Dando. He was claiming to say that he is this lady's husband, and her 3 children are his children. And he started threatening me and my sister. We both were here, and he started saying, like, you do whatever you want, I'll see what you can do, you can go to the cops, you can do whatever you want, I'll see what you can do. And soon after that, they have put a false case on my husband, on me, and on one of his friend. And now the thing is that my mother wants to come and stay in this place, but then she cannot come and stay in this place because this woman is not ready to go out. She has forged her signatures, and she has made fake property papers, and she's trying to rob us. And this lady is not moving out of the house. My mother is keeping sick, and she wants to come and stay. Though we have our own house, we cannot stay in our house. Even my sister is renting places outside and staying. Though she has a house, we cannot stay in our own house. So this is the thing.
सो हो मॅटर आमी एक्चुअली आतां कंप्लेन केल्लेली आहा एक 10 दीस पयले इन पंचायतीन, मागीर मामलेदारान, मागीर डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत, पुलीस स्टेशनान, जे आमचे एक्चुअली घरान हेंच्यांनी इलिगल बांदलेले आहा आनी तेंचेर एक्शन घेवची म्हणून तेंचे कितें इलिगल बांदलां विदावट पंचायतीचें परमिशन नासतना हेंच्यांनी आमचें घर बांदलां. ओके एंड प्लस आमची प्रॉपर्टी एक्चुली कोर्टान आहा एक्चुली कोर्टाचे हे आसतना तेंच्यांनी आमच्या हितून घरान हें बांदलां.
And there are also, when we came in the month of May, after that, we came to check on the property, what is going on. There are other men also coming. This woman is doing the same business over here. And among those men, there is also a cop and a advocate also who is involved over here. And she is getting support from our local people. That is the reason why she's taken an upper hand and she's doing whatever she wants. She's taking law in her hands and she's doing whatever. She's not afraid. Though she is an outsider, she's coming and doing dadagiri to us Goans.
सो म्हाजो हो हंबल रिक्वेस्ट ज्यो ऑथॉरिटींक आमी कंप्लेन केल्या आनी आमच्या ऑनरेबल CMाकूय आनी आमच्या मॅडमीक आमच्या MLAकूय हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता हे आमचे इतले आमी गोंयकार जावन आमच्या घरांतली आमकां भायर घालतात आमचें सगळें डॉक्युमेंटेशन इतलें क्लियर आसतना आमकां हें केल्या सो आमकां आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटाचो आनी आमच्या CM आनी आमच्या MLAचो आमकां सपोर्ट जाय आनी आमच्या पंचायतीचो आमकां सपोर्ट जाय हेंकां हे लिगल हें केलां तेंचे मोडपाचें आनी हेंकां आमच्या घरांतली भायर काडपाचें म्हणून सो इतलोच आमचे हेंकां रिक्वेस्ट करता ऑथॉरिटीक हेंचेर स्ट्रीक्ट एक्शन घेवची म्हणून.